As a caretaker, you play a vital role in the health of the person you support. When it comes to eating and drinking, knowing the warning signs can make all the difference. Watch for these red flags. Coughing or choking while eating or drinking, even if it seems minor, this is a sign something may be wrong. A wet or gurgly voice after eating or drinking. This sound can indicate that food or liquid is not going down safely. Unexplained weight loss or repeated pneumonia. These can both be signs of an ongoing swallowing problem that hasn't been caught yet. Pain with swallowing, or the feeling that food is stuck. Any discomfort around eating should always be taken seriously. If you notice any of these signs, ask for help. You don't have to figure it out alone. The UPMC Swallowing Disorder Center, located at Mercy Hospital, has a dedicated program for individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities, or IDD. To schedule an appointment, call 412-647-2100.